Shaper is one of the most important machines in workshop technology, a versatile machine primarily intended for producing flat surfaces. Here we see an operator going for the job on the machine. In goes the button, down goes the lever, and here is the machine shaping. Before going into details, let's see for ourselves the principal parts of the machine. Base. The base is a hollow casting upon which the other parts of the shaper are mounted. It's also the reservoir for a supply of oil which is circulated to the moving parts of the machine. Apron. Here it is shown the structural detail of the apron. The apron supports the table on the cross rail. Table. The table is a metal box attached to the frame of the shaper. It has got T-slots on the top and on the sides, which are used for clamping the work or a vise to the table. This is the lead screw arrangement for the cross movement of the apron. And this is the lead screw arrangement for the up and down vertical movement of the table. Ram. The ram is the main moving part of the shaper. It has got a lever for the adjustment of the length of the stroke of the ram. Tool head. The tool head holds the cutting tools. This figure gives the detailed parts of the tool head. If we unscrew this nut, we can swivel the tool head to a required angle, either to the right or to the left, or can also be adjusted vertically and locked in a position. For power arrangement, there is an electrical motor from which the drive is transferred to the gearbox through V-belts. Pre-machine running steps. Before starting the machine, check up and ensure that all the sliding surfaces are thoroughly clean. An operator must get rid away of all the undesirable chips either on the vise jaws or on the apron or on the table top. Cleaning is very important for the smooth and efficient running of the machine. Lubrication is another important thing. Lubricate the machine through the lubrication ports. This lubrication is must for all the sliding surfaces, bearings, and guideways. An engineer very well understands the importance of lubrication in the smooth running of the machine. Squareness checking of jaw vise with the stroke of ram. Place an indicator in the tool holder and see that the point of the indicator touches the finished surface of the jaw. Note the movement of the indicator as the vise is moved back and forth with the help of the cross feed. Parallelism checking of jaw vise with the stroke of ram. Move the vise by 90 degrees. Fasten the vise to the table with the edge of the solid jaw parallel to the ram. Again see that the point of the indicator touches the finished surface of the jaw, and then note the movement of the indicator as the ram is moved slowly back and forth. Steps involved in machining a job. Place the job on the vise. Open the jaws to the required length of the job. Fix the job and tighten the jaws properly. Move the table with the help of the cross rail so that the job is under the tool approximately from where the first cut is to be taken. Bring the tool head down to the job to leave a clearance of 1 to 2 centimeters. Adjustment of stroke position. The operator now starts the machine and checks the position of job with respect to the ram movement. For leaving a back clearance of more than 1.5 inch, move the ram backwards as we see here. Start the machine and check for it. And here we see the tool clearing the backside of the job by the desired length. For leaving the front clearance, unclamp the lever and move the ram manually so as to leave a front clearance of more than 1/8 of an inch. Tighten the lever, start the machine and check for it. The tool now clears the front side of the job by the desired length. Position of tool head and clapper box for shaping a horizontal surface is very important. Let's see it. The tool head and the cutting tool should be vertical and the clapper box should be turned away from the direction in which the tool is feeding. With this position, the tool will not dig into the work and will swing away from the finished surface on the return stroke. Taking of first cut and automatic feed adjustment. The machine is started and the tool is fed downwards towards the work. Automatic feed. Automatic feed consists of a slotted disc which carries a T-slot having an adjustable pin, and to this is attached a connecting rod having rocker arm on the other end. This rocker arm carries a spring-loaded pawl. As the disc rotates, the adjustable pin, being eccentric with the disc center, causes the connecting rod to reciprocate. This in turn makes the rocker arm to swing about the screw to move the pawl over one or more teeth and then transmit an intermittent motion to the crossfit screw. This moves the table and the shaping starts. In the next part of the program, we'll discuss about the moving mechanism of the shaper. That is the quick return mechanism. Goodbye.